Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can do a split screen in Samsung J6 and how you're able to use the two apps simultaneously in this phone while debugging your screen. So I'm your friend Manish and you're watching Technical Chaharji, so let's get started with the video. So suppose you have already opened two apps over here. Let's suppose you have opened a YouTube app over here and you have call forwarding option or something like that, which I've already shown you in the previous videos. So and you want to run a simultaneously two apps simultaneously, like WhatsApp above and YouTube below, you can do simply like that. Here you have this option, you have to press this, and let's say that I'm on this phone option and I want to switch it. So I just grab it and YouTube I will just grab it over here and this option over here. So you can see that my screen has been split up and now I've been able to do two kind of work in my screen. So I can simply play up a video over here and simply text up over here without any of the lag between my video or stopping my video. I can do a multiple thing over here. And if you want to do just your WhatsApp anything or your work is over, you can simply press this button here and your full one screen again starts working. So this is a simple split screen thing which you can do with your Samsung J6. So that's the simple trick which I've shown you right now, by that how you can do a simple split screen in this Samsung J6 as well as in other phone as well. If you want, I can make a same video of my OnePlus 6 devices as well, that how to do a split screen in that phone as well. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share. If you have any question, do comment below. I will answer it personally in that comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till my next video about the tips and tricks, keep on watching my channel and be safe, stay safe and do whatever you want to do.